Craft will be here with us for a couple of hours more. Kaya sulitin po natin ang ating mga drinks before lumani mga gabi. Dami pang food.
So I wanna be...
Picture tayo sa mga Lester.
But I want them to know that I'm connected. I still wanna connect with other people, yung sa audience natin. Kasi, alam mo na, yung word na us. Medyo takot tayo dyan. So wala pa. I don't plan to stop anytime soon.
Okay. Do you prefer being a fashion
designer? Meron pa tayong huli pasabog guys ha, kaya wait lang. Wala mo nang uuwi, lalo na sa mga distributors mo natin.
Kasi I believe I'm good at it. And hanggat wala pa pong blessing from ABS, at least I'm also busy with something else. And to show people na I'm not stopping from work.
And you're still visible.
Okay.
How do you maintain your showbiz friendship with the likes of Katrina, Sarah? What's the secret?
Authenticity lang. You know naman, ako ever since I'm very transparent. If I love you, I'll fight for you.
And you spend time?
Yeah, time is very important.
What message can you give to your fans who are always very supportive, defending you no matter what?
Huwag kayo mapapagod, mahal ko kayo. And as long as I'm here for you guys also. Hindi ko ibabaliwala yung mga effort niyo para sa akin.
Any plans of sundan ang ating baby?
Sana po in the future, I could see myself having another one.
So guys, stick around ha. Pati sa mga friends natin, to all our guests, friends from the media, if you can stay for, you know, wala naman po kayo ibang event na pupuntahan, sa mga si Doc Raksha. Thank you, Doc.
I mean, marating pala.
Okay, thank you.
Sophia, ano lang, hindi ko na parang yung career mo para pang naka-redirect.
Doc, wait lang. We have something for you.
Ikaw ba nag-plano mo or talagang dumating na lang siya? Parang more on influencer ka.
I'm also into fashion because I'm very arty. So parang nadala na lang ko siguro. And then I think people appreciate it.
Yeah.
So baka ganun lang din kaya nagtuloy-tuloy.
Hindi ka ba, siyempre marami ngayon yung mga, alam mo naman yung sa mga fashion. May mga nag-aaway-aaway.
Ay, wala. Wala. Parang I'm not there yet. Lahat kaaway. Parang wala pa rin. Parang I don't wanna get involved also. Kasi syempre, I have family.
Yes.
Mahirap na.
Nagiging ano ba, mapili ka na sa work because you're a mom now, you're busy with your family, parang ganyan.
Medyo nalimitahan ko. I didn't also expect na magiging ganun. Kasi syempre, I don't know, bigla na lang ako naging conservative. Parang not naman conservative, pero medyo limitado. Syempre, I want my daughter to see her mom as, you know, usap naman po.
Ano masasabi mo na even you're not visible sa TV, may mga naniniwala pa rin ng mga endorse na mga product like this?
Ano po, one thing lang po talaga sa akin. I always pray every day. Kung ano po yung dumating sa akin, I know that it's meant for me and I will take care of it. Pag po nabigyan ulit ng project, why not? I'm just here.
Your last project, yung Ironheart, yes. Di ba? Yes. So, how is it working? You still have communication with your co-stars there? Yung ganyan.
Meron naman po. Meron naman.
How about, di ba, you're also friends with Daniel? Nung nag-iwalay ba yung dalawa, nawala na rin yung friendship mo with Daniel? Because you're more on Catherine friend, parang ganyan.
No naman po. Actually, my partner is close to DJ talaga. So, they still hang out. Ako ay hang out with Catherine. Wala naman bad blood.
Pero hindi ka nahihirapan. Kasi syempre parang naiipit ka sa dalawa. Di ba syempre as a friend, ikaw yung close friend kay Catherine?
Yeah. I respect both sides. Yes. Kasi syempre sila yung mas nakakaalam. So, I'm fair.
Are you open working with them soon? Kung sakali, may movie or project?
Ako po wala naman ba. Basta po makapagka-work ako, magkaroon ng project, of course for my daughter din. Para din sa mga pang-shopping. So, I'm just kidding. Pang bangko din.
Gastos ba ang career mo sa fashion world? Gastos ba?
Konti po. Pero na parang
inviting all of our Lunaor distributors to go on stage for a
Room shots tayo.
all expenses paid, but when you're there, the country,
Sure kami na
you wanna buy something.
St. Jude, meron tayo St. Jude picture.
That's all me. That's all me.
Sophia, ano ba? Kumbaga, syempre, hindi naman na ano yung mga yung network word, di ba? May offer din ba outside ABS? Tapos you accepted it or may mga ganun bang something?
May offer naman po. May offer natin magagawa. So now we're waiting for the perfect project. Ayun. Ako, maghihintay ako kahit forever.
Yung pagiging conservative mo because you're a mom now and you're a family,
Parang ganun, respect na rin sa anak mo. Tsaka sa partner.
May mga offer din na sa anak mo to enter showbiz? May mga ganyan ba?
Parang ano lang po, ads, photoshoot.
Commercials.
Pero kung pag-artista, it's up to her. I won't stop her kung gusto niya. Pero alam ko yung sarili ko, may hirapan ako, sakit ulo.
Magiging ano ka ba? Magiging
Kasi ako
stage
sakit
mom?
na ako ng ulo.
Stage mom ka ba? Magiging stage mom ka to?
Parang ganun. Kasi di ba remember, I gave birth early, so kailangan focus sa anak pag mamaya. Dr. Wood.
Nagkaanak ka ng major earlier, di ba? Parang nagkaroon ka ba ng problem na nagkaroon ka ng ano sa sarili mo, ng confidence because you're tumaba or parang may ganun mga something sa...
Naman po, parang after giving birth, sabi ko kung ano mangyayari sa akin nun, baala ka na. Kasi di ba po ang stigma, pag nanganak ka na, ay hindi na siya kukunin or whatever. But I do believe in myself. If I know that I want to get something, I want to work hard for it. Kumbaga sa Tagalog po yung kung ano yung tinanim mo, ano yung...
Tapos sabi nga kanina nakita namin na hindi lang maputi yung kinuha ng hope look, pati kumbaga yung kulay mo ganyan pero you endorse yung ganito. Parang hindi ka ba nag-question, bakit ako may ganun something?
Kasi po they explained to me that it's not really for pampaputi. It's a holistic effect. So meron po siyang vitamin C, rich in antioxidant, has an oral sunblock. Kaya ako naman po kasi I'm always out of the country, I'm on the go, I'm at the beach. So, it protected my skin. It's really perfect.
Sabihin ko, Nico, na nakita ka kanina magabi, nila Catherine.
Yes! Nice and good.
Very nice. Kamusta? Anong pwede mo expression? Si birthday mo ba?
Nung IV, sobrang saya. As in, alam mo yun, lahat ng mga alagay na kita-kita. And yun lang. I mean, normal birthday bonding. Walang
Kung
kailangan.
sakali mo maging sila ni Alden, okay lang rin sa'yo too. Di ba parang gano'n?
Paboto pala.
Di ba? I mean, di ba as a friend, parang gano'n eh.
Ano, bahala siya. I mean, ako, as long as she's happy, alam mo yun, I don't
You're happy kung ano man yung decision ni Kat.
respect. Yeah, hello. Matanda na siya.
Okay, thank you. Invite them na lang to be,
Photo lang po.
Okay.
Thank you po for your time today. Thank you.